The dumbbell row can be a great exercise for you to strengthen your shoulder blade, to improve your posture, decrease pain, but not like this. You're just flinging weight around. Hey, Scott, go ahead and face the other way. Jump, assume the position right there. Okay, you're gonna take this in steps. 2 steps to a better row. Part 1, make sure, grab the weight, grab something that's gonna help you feel the contraction. Make sure your spine's straight and your back's straight. From here first, use your lat muscle, use your lower trap muscle, your raise to pull your blade down without side bending your spine. Great, you're gonna hold those muscles in contraction, and the first step is to let this release without bending your spine. Now to draw your blade towards your spine. Go ahead and do that. Exactly, that's step 1. Now take it all the way down again, let's do it one more time, and draw your blade to your spine with your rhomboids, with your middle trap right there. From that position with the light weight, now draw your elbow up to your side, you're getting some rear delt, you're getting some bicep pulling that up just like that, and some lat. Now take it down, 2 steps. Once again, without rotating the spine, we're not rotating right now. You're rotating a little bit. There you go, just like that. Great. First step is draw the blade down, pull it to the spine, and then bring it up. And then when you get better, you can start syncing it up. Taking it down, draw it to the spine, row it up. Right. And when you get really good with it, you can start adding a little spinal rotation with it for the 3rd step. But you're not ready for that right now. No, you're not. Because I watch you walk around. I watch you twist it. I hear you talking about your wing and shoulder blades, your shoulder blade pain, all this stuff. You ain't ready for that shit yet. You got to get back to the basics.
Basic.